Hi everyone. This is the first of four videos that I will post during our time online here for the rest of the semester. Um, I hope you guys are doing well. I sure miss all of your faces and all of the fun things that I had planned for the rest of the semester. But in the meantime, I hope that with the different things that I have put on Blackboard, that it's a little more interactive and not quite so boring in terms of the different work that I'm going to have you guys do for the rest of the semester. I hope that all of you are doing well. And again, I sure miss your guys' faces. So for the first week, um, so we are in the H3 leadership book. I have posted up there the PowerPoint for the first section and then a video for you guys to watch for the second section. There are two quizzes that will go along with it, and then also a discussion question for the first section. So please make sure that you get into week 12 and look at everything for the at 9:25 and 12:15. I do want to make sure that I have a Zoom meeting with everybody, and it's only a check-in. That's all. If you're on for 5, 10 minutes, any questions that you have about anything at all for the rest of the semester, please come to that meeting. So we'll be having that on March 30th at 9:25 and 12:15. And for my Tuesday, Thursday class, it'll be on March 31st. So at 9:25. And then I can be available by Zoom. I will also post my cell phone number for you guys in case you just had a quick question and you wanted to text me. I'm totally cool with that. Um, or if you just send me an email, as I said, in class, I check it quite often. I'm usually up till like 11 or so at night. And if I don't answer you after 11, then I will definitely get back to you first thing in the morning. So, um, please let me know if you guys have any questions. Um, Otherwise, happy reading. The H3 Leadership book, if you haven't already started on it, it is super easy read. Lots of great things, and it is faith-based, so um, it will also provide you an opportunity to hear from another perspective on living your faith in the workplace. So I look forward to seeing your happy faces on March 30th and 31st, and enjoy your break. And I will talk to you guys soon. See ya.